right, who wants some sweet tea or the mint leaf? All right, good morning, everybody. We are here at the Opry Mills Mall, getting ready to see Paula Deen today. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. I think you're more excited, though.
Yeah, you know, for years, my family and I have been going to go to the different restaurants, starting with Lady and Sons in Savannah, Georgia. Then you and I have been both to the new Lady and Sons, as well as the seafood restaurant she has out in Savannah.
Oh yeah, it was really good.
And of course, we've been to the one in Pigeon Forge and here, so I'm excited to finally meet the Paula Deen.
Yeah.
Hopefully she's got some butter for us today.
We'll see.
Not, we'll
if not,
go with it.
We got our own butter here for her. Butter, y'all.
So she is doing signings today. So there's a book signing and she'll sign up to 4 items for each of the guests that come over today. So I'm excited. Now we're gonna go form a line. There was a little bit of confusion to go see Paula Deen.
Yeah.
So you have to purchase at least 1 item per guest, which makes sense. We definitely purchased several items, and she does sign for each guest who has a wristband up to 4 items. So
make sure you get here really early too. We called ahead of time to see what the process was, and they said we were going to be lining up at 8, getting into the store by 9, but we got here at like 7:45 and people were already in the store and almost all the wristbands are gone. So if you really want to meet Paula Deen at one of these signings, get here really early, because you might miss your chance if you get here right at 8 or at the time they tell you to get here. So just make sure you plan ahead.
I don't know about you, but I'm starting to get hungry.
I'm starving.
It's only 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm already craving lunch.
Well, I don't know about you, but I had breakfast at like 6 o'clock this morning and it's already 8, so yeah. It's been a while.
So it's starting to kick in. I will say, if you've never been to Paula's restaurants, the biscuits are delicious.
They're really good. Nice, warm, and buttery.
Never go wrong with the fried chicken. Candied yams are usually pretty good. We're hoping it's extra good today, just because Paula's here.
Yeah.
Stay tuned and watch.
We gotta get some of that sweet tea.
There's a lot of y'all, and I'm so thankful. Thank you for your love, your support, your prayers, everything. So we got a little surprise for 3 of y'all. If y'all would look under, if you'll turn over your armband, in the inside, if you have a PD in there. Folks, you have an armband. Yes. Who has a PD?
Are you excited to see Paula Deen?
I am. It's been a little bit of a challenge to wait in line.
Yeah, this has been like I think we've been here for almost 3 hours. Probably
Something
2.5.
like that. Yeah, 2.5.
Well, we'll see.
She's here. Hi, Paula. What you got cooking in the kitchen today?
Something delicious.
I don't know. I can't tell.
Okay, so we just met Paula Deen. What do you think?
It was pretty cool. Where's this picture? So I have this picture from back in 1999 when my parents took my brother and I for the first time to the original. We'll freeze it on the shot so y'all can see, but this is the original Paula Deen's Lady and Sons location, and I showed the picture with her, and she shared with us that there were so many magical memories that she and her family have had at that location, and she really misses that place. And then she gave me a hug at the end and thanked me for sharing that, and it was just so nice to be that close to her and finally meet Paula Deen.
She's so nice too. Very bubbly.
We kind of asked her what was cooking in the kitchen, and we didn't really know what was cooking. I don't even think she knew either.
No. I told her whatever she makes is delicious, so.
But now it's time for lunch at Paula Deen's Family Kitchen.
Woo! And you can't come to Paula Deen's without getting the famous sweet tea.
With a mint leaf.
With a mint leaf?
Mint leaf to make it fancier.
Guess I'd like to get the fried chicken.
Yeah, that would be good. How's that? Who wants some sweet tea? And a mint leaf to make it fancier. All right, I'll let you go first. Are you ready?
Oh my gosh, it's like very dense.
Is it good?
So good. I think that's the best biscuit that I've had at a Paula Deen's restaurant any time that we've been here. It's so good. It's so hot.
I think they did it because she's here today.
I think so. Oh my god, it's so good. They stuck to the recipe today.
All right, the food has arrived. We've got some yummy pot roast and rice. Is it cream potatoes or mashed potatoes?
I think
What's
it's
it called?
cream potatoes.
All right, cream potatoes. Of course, add butter to it.
Yum.
Some delicious fried chicken here. One of Paula Deen's signature items. Got some mac and cheese. Then we've got some candied yams, is that correct?
Yes, candied yams and corn on the cob.
I don't remember the corn on the cob before.
I don't either.
I think that's something new they added. But there we go.
Hopefully it doesn't get stuck in my teeth. I don't have floss on me.
Well, delicious meal, and we got to meet Paula Deen. What do you think of that?
Yeah, pretty cool. Get to meet the creator of her brand, you know, and get to try her recipes in the same day.
All right, well, let's dig in. All right, it's time to dig in. Let's see. All right, let's take one of these. Let's see. All right, let's see if it passes the test.
It's good?
That's really good. I don't think I've had chicken leg in a while.
I think it has been a while actually. And our
That's
awesome.
not a chicken leg. Is it?
Yeah, it's a chicken leg. That's a drumstick. And our awesome server brought over some more biscuits. So they were so good.
Oh my goodness, wait till you try yours. This is really good. Definitely come to the restaurant when Paula's here.
Everything will be top notch. Okay, let's try this chicken. Ooh, It's nice and juicy on the inside. Let's try it. It's really good fried chicken. You were not kidding.
Paula would approve, right?
Mm-hmm.
It was delicious, but now I'm stuffed. I can't eat anymore.
What are you taking home with you?
So I am gonna take home the banana pudding. To be honest, I've had a lot of banana pudding since we've lived in the South of the Midwest, and you know, I'm not really like crazy over it. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I'm not really crazy over banana pudding anymore, but I do like Paula Deen's banana pudding, so that's what I got.
Here you go.
What'd you get?
And I got the ooey gooey cake, the original one, because they have the original and then they have the chocolate one. So we'll try those later on when we get home because I'm stuffed as well.
And that's all for you because I don't like that kind of stuff. Butter cake, is that what that is?
The ooey gooey butter cake.
No, I don't like butter cake.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today as we had an interesting journey to meet Paula Deen and eat at her restaurant. Please make sure if you like this video, comment, let us know what your favorite part was, and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more awesome content from us.
That's 1,000 and we're not too far away, so we need your help so you can help us. Like, subscribe, and share this video. And please comment below. We're really interested in what you have to say and your thoughts on Paula Deen. Butter, do you cook with her recipes? Do you not? Do you enjoy Paula Deen as much as we do? Let us know. And remember, you haven't traveled until you've traveled with the Q's.